Wahala for who think say education na scam. My people, e get some people wey still believe say everybody wey go school must work for one big company or government before dem fit say education dey pay. Once dem see person wey get degree but no office job, dem go shout "Education na scam!" Dem go even begin call list of influencers wey no go school as if na everybody go blow for TikTok or turn musician overnight. But make we reason am well. No be to work for big company mean say you don make am. The real people wey make am na those wey use their education turn nothing into something. Even if school no give you office job, e still teach you how to reason, talk, type and no fall mugu for every message wey start with "Dear beneficiary." Dis na one true talk at a time. Follow me for more wahala wey dey make sense. My brother man and sister woman, I salute all of una. Una doh!